Hello viewers, welcome back to our channel Science and Technology Facto.
Security. So, what is cybersecurity? Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, servers, mobile devices, electronic systems, networks, and data from malicious attacks. It also known as information technology security or electronic information security. The terms applied in a variety of contents from business to mobile computing and can be divided into few common categories. Need of cybersecurity. This video explains what cybersecurity is and why the demand of cybersecurity professional is growing. It explains what your online identity and data is, where it is, and why it is of interest to cyber criminals. It also discusses what organizational data is and why it must be protected. Also included in this chapter, this content at belief, explain, cyber aware, and why nations and governments need cybersecurity professionals to help protect their citizens and infrastructure. What are the types of cybersecurity? Network security, application security, information security, operational security, disaster recovery and business continuity, and user education. Let's see briefly about types of cybersecurity. Network security. It is the practice of securing a computer network from intruders, whether targeted attackers or opportunistic malware. Application security. Application security focuses on keeping software and devices free of threats. A compromised application could provide access to the data is designed to protect. Successful security begins in the design stage well before your program or device is developed. Information security. It protects the integrity and privacy of data both in storage and in transit. Operational security. Operational security includes the process and the decisions for handling and protecting data assets. The permissions user have when accessing a network and the procedures that determine how and where data may be stored or shall all fall under this umbrella. Disaster recovery and business continuity define how an organization responds to the cyber security incident or any other event that causes the loss of operations and data. Disaster recovery policies dictate how the organization restores its operation and information to return to the same operating capacity as before the event. Business continuity is the plan the organization falls back on while trying to operate without certain resources. End user education addresses the most unpredictable cybersecurity factor people. Anyone can accidentally introduce a virus to an otherwise secure system by failing to follow good security practices. Teaching users to delete suspicious email attachments, not plug in unidentified USB drives, and various other important lessons is vital for the security of any organization. Types of threats. The threats countered by cybersecurity are threefold. Cybercrime includes single actors or groups targeting systems for financial gain or to cause disruption. Cyber attack often involves politically motivated information gathering. Cyber terrorism is intended to undetermined electronic systems to cause panic or fear. So, How do malicious actors gain control of computer systems? Here are some common methods used to threat cybersecurity. Malware. Malware means malicious software. One of the most common cyber threats. Malware is a software that a cyber criminal or hacker has created to disturb or damage a legitimate user's computer, often spread via an unsolicited email attachment or legitimated looking download. Malware may be used by cyber criminals to make money or in political motivated cyber attacks. There are number of different types of malware. Virus, a self-replicating program that attaches itself to clean file and spread throughout a computer system, infecting files with malicious code. Trojans, a type of malware that is disguised as legitimate software. Cybercriminals trick users into uploading Trojans onto their computer where they cause damage or collect data. Adware. Adware, advertising software which can be used to spread malware. Botnets, networks of malware infected computers which cybercriminals use to perform tasks online without the user's permission. Spyware, a program that secretly records what a user does so that cybercriminals can make the use of this information. For example, spyware could capture credit card details. Ransomware, malware which lock down the user's files and data with the threat of erasing it unless a ransom is paid. Cyber safety tips. Protect yourself against cyber attacks. How can businesses and individuals guard against cyber threats? Here are our top cyber safety tips. Update your software and operating system. This means you benefit from the latest security patches. Use antivirus software. Security solution like Kaspersky Total Security will detect and remove threats. Keep your software updated from the best level of protection. Use strong passwords. Ensure your passwords are not easily guessable. Use an unusual but memorable phrases and replace letters with number or punctuation marks. Change password at least a couple of times a year. Get fresh ones and don't just swap around the one of your already used. Use two-step verification if it's available for logins. If someone signs in from a new or unauthorized device, they will have you provide a code that only sent you to your phones or email address. Do not open email attachments from unknown senders. This could be infected with malware. Do not click and link in emails from unknown senders or unfamiliar website. This is common way that malware is spread. Avoid using unsecure Wi-Fi networks in public places. Unsecure networks leave you vulnerable to man-in-the-middle attacks. What cybersecurity can prevent? The use of cybersecurity can help prevent cyber attacks, data breaches, and identify theft, and can aid in risk management. When an organization has a strong sense of network security and an effective incident response plan, it is better able to prevent and series of these attacks. For example, end-user protection defends information and guards against loss or theft while also scanning computers from malicious code. What are the consequences of the cyber attack? Cyber attack will cause more damage financially and reputationally even to the most withstand organization. The organization which suffers cyber attack have to face a loss in assets, business reputation, and potentially the organization have to face regularly fines and taking legal action and the cost of remediation. How to maintain effective cyber security? Historically, Organizations and governments have taken a reactive point product approach to combating cyber threats. Produce something together individual security technologies, one on top of the another to save their networks and the valuable data within them. Not only is the method expensive and complex, but news of damaging cyber breaches continues to dominate headlines regarding this method is ineffective. In fact, give the area of group of people of data breaches, the topic of cybersecurity has launched to the top of the priority list for boards of directors, which they seek as far as less risky way. Instead, organizations can consider their natively embedded automated next generation security platform that is specifically designed to provide consistent prevention based protection on the endpoint, in the data center, on the network, in the public and private clouds, and also across SAP's environments. By focusing the prevention, organization can prevent cyber threats from impacting the network is the first place and less overall cybersecurity risk the manageable degree. Conclusion: the computer security is a continuous battle. As computer security gets tighter, hackers are getting smarter. Computer and information security continue to grow in importance. Nobody ever said this was going to be easy. Neglecting security is the worst thing you can do. Always be sure about the correct web address of the bank website and look for the lock icon on the browser status bar while visiting bank's website or conducting online transaction. Always check HTTPS appears in the website's address bar before making an transaction. The S stands for SIG and indicates that the communication with the web page is encrypted. Log in and view your bank account activity regularly to make sure that there are no unapproved transactions. Report discrepancies, if any, to your bank immediately. Keep your bank customer care number handy so that you can report any suspicious or unauthorized transaction on your account immediately. Cyber caution: safety cyber safe during the pandemic. Stop trusting forwarded message. Not all messages claiming to be verified are genuine. Fraudsters thrive by circulating visiting cards, short video clips, pictures, link, etc. alongside believe messages. Watch what you download. Being watching shows on streaming platforms is on the rise. However, some programs and apps carry malware and try to steal your information. Download content from trusted sites only. Be careful with our online social life. Exercise caution with each online interaction so you can steer clear of scammers and fake users. Do not give personal information or send private photos. Keep an eye. Always ensure that credit or debit card swipes are done in your presence to avoid cloning or unauthorized copying of your card information. Check for latest updates of your smartphone's operating system. If you are using your mobile phone for online banking, do install an antivirus as well and keep it updated. Always verify and install Authentic e-wallet app. Do not save your card or bank account detail in your e-wallet. Tips for internet safety: avoid making your personal information public on social media sites and internet in general. Enable privacy safeguards and setting on browsers and major websites such as Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, etc. Keep your antivirus program up to date. Always choose strong password. Be aware of such spoofed information. Such messages may be trick of cyber criminals to defraud you. Always verify your message bank and avoid clicking on such links.